Welcome to the future of healthcare IT careers. Are you looking for a stable career with long-term growth opportunities? Did you know that during the COVID-19 pandemic, many industries such as hospitality, travel, retail, and manufacturing faced massive layoffs? However, the healthcare industry continued to grow because healthcare services are always needed. Healthcare Revenue Cycle Management, RCM, medical billing, medical coding, healthcare analytics, and healthcare IT professionals remained in demand throughout the pandemic and continue to be among the fastest growing career fields in 2026. Why choose healthcare, RCM, and healthcare IT? Strong job stability, growing demand across the USA healthcare industry, excellent career growth opportunities, opportunities to work with global healthcare organizations, AI-driven transformation creating new career paths. The best part? A bachelor's degree is generally sufficient to start your healthcare RCM career. You do not need a medical degree. Our training program is designed and delivered by industry professionals with real-world healthcare RCM and healthcare IT experience. What you will learn: revenue cycle management, RCM, medical billing process, claims management, payment posting, denial management, healthcare business analysis process, improvement, healthcare reporting and analytics, AI tools for healthcare operations, healthcare process automation, Excel automation, Power BI dashboards, AI-powered workflow optimization, real-time industry case studies. AI is changing healthcare operations rapidly. Organizations are increasingly adopting artificial intelligence for claims automation, denial prediction, payment analysis, productivity improvement, reporting automation, operational efficiency. Our training includes practical AI automation concepts that help professionals stay ahead in the healthcare job market. Additionally, we provide resume preparation support, interview preparation, real-time project exposure, job assistance, guidance, career mentorship. If you are serious about building a successful career in healthcare IT and revenue cycle management, this training is designed for you. Subscribe to this channel for upcoming training videos, industry insights, interview tips, and AI automation demonstrations. For detailed course curriculum and training documents, please contact us through the details provided below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.